When you first installed Contribute CS3 on your computer, you probably noticed that it asked you if you wanted to install the Contribute plugins into either the Firefox browser if you're on a Mac or into Internet Explorer if you're on Windows. If I go to my Firefox browser here on the Mac, I'll notice that I have a Contribute toolbar in here, and here I have Edit and Contribute and Post to Blog. So if I browse to a site that I made a connection to, or any site that I happen to be looking at, and let's just say it's one of the sites I have a connection to here on tCloud, and as I browse around here, I'm looking at some of the pages here, and I notice here that on the About Us page, the word tCloud is actually two separate words on this page at a couple different locations. Now, instead of having to go into Contribute and browse to this page separately, because I have this Edit and Contribute button up here, all I have to do is click Edit and Contribute. And since I have a connection to that site, Contribute automatically creates a draft of that page I was just looking at in Firefox, opens it up, and now I can immediately start editing this document. And once I'm done, I can click Publish. And there it is. So it's just sort of a convenient button to have. When you want to browse your site, you probably won't be browsing it in Contribute all the time. You'll be browsing in an actual web browser. Just by having that button there, if you're a Firefox user, you have a convenient way to quickly edit that page if you find a mistake on it or if you find that you need to add something to that page. And it's the same thing if you're using Internet Explorer on Windows. So here in Internet Explorer, I also have this Edit and Contribute and Post to Blog button. And again, it works the same way. If I'm looking at this page that I want to edit, I click Edit and Contribute. Since I have a connection to this site, Contribute automatically downloads the page as a draft, displays it, and then I can make my changes. Now in this case, on this computer, I don't have publishing privileges, so I only have Send for Review here. But I can make all the changes I want and then post this for review so somebody who does have the ability to publish the page can check it out. Now we also have the option of posting to blog, which will take the page and create it as a new blog entry, but we haven't talked about blogs yet, but we'll fix that in the very next chapter, where we'll talk about working with blogs and Contribute.